Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make text move in CapCut, animate text in CapCut, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just make sure that you're in already onto your CapCut app onto your device. So as you can see, I'm currently onto a project already. Add in a clip that you want to use. So I have added a clip in here. If you haven't done so onto your end, just click onto the import option here onto the upper part or this blue plus icon. And once it is added here, click onto the plus icon again here to add this track onto the timeline just like this. Right after, it's time to add in our text. Click on text here onto the upper part. And right after, we're going to add a default text. So there are actually text templates in here that you could use. So these are actually templates that are already done here on CapCut. So there are free and there are some that you need to go ahead and register for Pro to go ahead and use that. So by this tutorial, we're just going to use the default text in here. Let's add that to track and let's adjust its duration until it reaches the last part of the clip, just like this. Now to update the text here, we're going to change here onto the upper right side. So we're going to add in here travel. So we're going to go ahead and try to start the clip here onto the left side, just like that. Now if you want to go ahead and want to move this clip here onto the bottom part, what we need to do is we're just going to need to head here back onto basic and let's go ahead and scroll down until you find and transform. So we're going to add a keyframe here onto the starting point, just like that. Now right after, we're just gonna go ahead and try to move this around here. And let's gonna try to move this one here onto the middle part. So let's make this here onto the middle part of the clip as well. And we're just gonna go ahead and move this directly here onto the middle part, just like that. So we could go ahead and add in a keyframe in here as well, just like that. And then right after, so there should be an arrow in here. If you click onto this, it will go ahead and head back onto the last keyframe and should go ahead and look something like this. So we're gonna head back here and we're gonna go ahead and drag this back again here onto the first part. So if you want to go ahead and play this, as you can see, it is moving here onto the middle part. Now since that one has stopped, here onto the last part, I want to add a keyframe again. Let's add that. And then we're gonna go ahead and move this downward, just like this, over here. So starting here onto this keyframe, it will go down. So that is just some easy way on how you can make a text move here on CapCut. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.